Hello, painting peace and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You know I'm happy you're here. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. 2021 is going to be a good year. I am feeling it in my bones, guys. We're going to be doing a little painting today. We are working today on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. Don't you know, buy one, get one free at Michael's. Plus, I had some coupons and I'm a happy girl when that happens. We're going to be doing a straight pour today. Our base coat today is going to be Artist Loft Black. That's in the Flow Acrylics. I love this paint for my base coat. It's self-leveling. It always gives me a nice smooth surface to work on. Our pouring medium today is strictly Floetrol and water. I am not using any fluid paints today, none of my golden fluid, so I did have to add probably about a tablespoon of water to my paint. So we're about 1 part paint, 2.5 parts Floetrol, and a squeeze or 2 of water. I start out slow. I keep my water in a little squeeze bottle. I give it a little squeeze, stir it up, check it out, and decide if I need to add a little bit more water to it. When I do a straight pour, a ring pour, any of those kind of pours, and I apologize, guys, I don't know the names to all the pours, so I guess it's a straight pour. I'm pouring my paints in this cup, and then I'm pouring them from the cup onto my canvas. So if it's called something else, let me know. Let's take a look at our paint consistencies. It's a little bit thicker than my swiping paints. As Sweet Mina says, it leaves a mound on a mound on a mound. That's a yummy color right there, guys. I'm getting a little funky with my colors today. How I start out, sometimes I come down here and I pick a color. First color I picked was this deep violet by Liquitex, and I think to myself now, what would play well with this? And I just kind of build off of it. So the next color I picked is this yummy color right here, and that is Artist Loft Unbleached Titanium. And then I stare at these 2 colors and I say, well, what else will play with those colors? And this right here is the Liquitex Basics Deep Violet, but I added a little bit of the Artist Loft Black into it just to richen it up and change the hue a little bit. And then I stared at these 3 colors and I said, well, what else will play well with that? And I thought, you know, browns. A nice rich brown would play well. So I combined 2 colors here. I've got Liquitex Basic in the burnt umber. Started off with that, put it in my cup, mixed it up with my pouring medium, checked the color out, and then I added a little bit of the Artist Loft Raw Umber to that. Stirred it up, checked the consistency, and added a little bit of water so that this is the same consistency as the other paints. This pretty color, I just used the last of it, and I am sad. That is Treasure Gold, and that is the purple Topaz. This paint has such a beautiful shade to it, and it has just absolutely wonderful pearlescence to it. So there you go. And then I stared at all 5 of these colors and I said, well, what else would go well with that mix? And so I'm throwing in a little bit of the Artist Loft Black. Oh, one thing I failed to mention, in this buff color, I added a tablespoon, my last tablespoon, of my Deco Art Satin Enamel, and that is in the neutral beige. So we're just getting a little funky. We're going to see how this all works out, guys, and you're going to see it right alongside me. So I'm going to put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me. We're going to get busy painting, guys. Glad you're here.
Sometimes you let it in. what we're about. I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone that's got the touch. Yeah, someone that's got the touch. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's been